Now we get to start some of the fun stuff. Let's talk about what cookies actually are. The ICC, which is the International Chamber of Commerce, has come up with a classification for cookies. There's 4 of them. Number 1 are strictly necessary cookies, and those are the cookies essential to get your website to do what it's supposed to do. For example, that is the cookie that saves the information in a shopper's cart. So you don't have to ask them if you'd like the shopping cart to work. Next are performance-based cookies. These cookies collect information about how the visitors use your website. For instance, if they run into a 404 page, and this allows you to make the user experience better. It also helps things like caching and making your website work faster and better. It benefits the user, and it's usually anonymous, so people don't have a problem with that kind of cookie. Functionality cookies are a little bit different, and it will remember things like a person's login name, their password, or their language. That helps the function of the website. As you can see, there's a bit of overlap. And the 4th one is targeting or advertising cookies. And this is the one most people have issue with. They don't like it when they search for something on Amazon, they go to Facebook, and all of a sudden the exact pots and pans that they were looking for are all over Facebook. They get hit with the personalized advertising.